Yeah, good morning everyone. This is my vlog. Stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe. Good morning everyone. Today is Tuesday, March 4. And foggy pa rin po dito sa amin. Still foggy and cloudy. That's why malamig. Negative ay 1 degree. It's frozen freezer. Yeah, it's like you are in the freezer. So ayan lang everyone, mayang buntag sa tanan and happy days everyone. At let's go in my 15 walks and 15 minutes walk and 1 bus everyone. see you and I see you. Malamig sa kamay everyone. So bye at the moment. Morning everyone. Kain tayo everyone. Ha? Gloves?
Emergency na rin sa atin.
What gloves? Going home, time check 9:46 a.m. But I'll take the bus, but until now I am on traveling. So it's sunny day today, everyone. Yun everyone, nag 98 ako pero hindi ako natuloy sa Kilburn. Uwi na lang ako maybe some other day na lang. Dumaan ako sa
98.
Savers. Nag-Savers na lang ako. Nakita ko may ilaw. Ay, sarado siya. May ilaw sila doon. So, doon na lang ako bumili. Kaya, I'm going home now. Pasta tayo everyone with chicken grills. Kain tayo si Nana. Oo naman. Bakit? Sausaw mo dun sa strawberry na. Lunch. May patomate juice kami, everyone.
The challenge now, the architects of our own soul.
Good afternoon, everyone. It's 15:40. Today is sunny day. Ang ganda ng araw. Super duper liwanag. Super sunny today. Pero hindi pa rin mainit dahil malamig ang hangin. So, see you later everyone. after 2 trains. Bye at the moment. Nakapag okay ako, nakatulog ako, naka-lunch ako, naka-siesta ako, naka-nap time ako, and everything. Ayan, naka-rest ako. So, ayun lang. Maganda ang mood. Yeah. Ganda ng napakasulo sa araw. Ayun lang. Bye-bye. See you later. At tatawid na ako dito sa small pedestrian. Everyone. And thank you for watching, like, and share. Thank you for everything. Yun, everyone. Ay, nagkakaroon na ng mga bulaklak. Paunti-unti. Bye! Ay, ang dami po. My second joy in every month. Busy pa rin. One position. So, see you later. Time check. For 4:16 everyone. Buhay na naman ang lasa dahil summer na and sunny day today. Although malamig ang panahon. Ayun lang. See you when I see you. I'm going nearly at my work. Bye at the moment. Yun. Green na. So, this is my favorite store. Boots. Ayun, di ba? So, this is the kissing gate. Ayan, everyone. Uwian na kami. Kami, Myro. Yun. It's like a lion. Yeah. Hindi.
It's like a lion.
Ang bilis eh. Hindi na pag ganun ako, nagsuliap lang. Pero, ayan na, andito na kami sa Algate Station. Parang something, 4 minutes, yeah? 4 minutes walk. 3 to 4 minutes walk. Yeah, okay. See you after underground. Time check. 8:52. Ayan, everyone. Good night. God bless. And I love you all. Ito na ako. Palapit ng palapit. Palapit na ng palapit. Sa uuwian. Yan lang everyone. And see you tomorrow again. Kain tayo everyone. Good evening sa aking pahapunan. Yan ang hapunan natin everyone.